Good day and welcome to another tutorial coming to you from Fun Music Workshop. I am Terry Mason, I'll be your instructor for today. Today's lesson is bylines and time signatures. Now, in our last video, we looked at notes and time values. Now, notes can be arranged into rhythm patterns, all right? Now, let's recap what we did last time. We have the whole note, which is on the semi-brief, which is 4 beats. The half note or the mid-edge, which is 2 beats. The quarter or the quarter note, which is 1 beat. And the quaver or eighth note, which is half of a beat. Now, if I'm going to play a pattern of beats in a song, okay, or a melody, I'm going to arrange these notes in a particular pattern. For example, I'm going to put 4 of these buckets together, alright? I'm going to put a half note, 2 of these, alright? Now all pieces of music are counted in a particular time, alright? A time frame. And so if you want to count this here, and you want to make it into a particular time, we add sections. We divide each of these into sections called bars, right? And each bar must have the same number of beats so that the timing is consistent throughout the piece of music. Now I'm going to count this here, alright? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Alright? So it's a consistent thing, but to make it more uniform, we add bar lines. Alright? Put them at these particular points. Alright? Now, each section is called a bar. Okay? These divisions are called bar lines. Right? And every bar must have the same number of beats in it. Not notes, but beats. Okay? In this case, each bar contains 4 beats. So in actual fact, we're counting in 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay? And when we come to the end of a piece of music, we add a double bar line. Alright? It's just a key full stop in the sentence in the writing words. Alright? Or paragraph. Okay? Now, to understand the time of the music, we add a set of numbers at the beginning of the piece of music, which is called a time signature. A time signature is made up of 2 numbers. I have 1 number here, I'm going to put the next number here. Alright? It looks like a fraction, but there is no bar in between or dash in between the 2 numbers. Now, this time signature is called 4 over 4 or 4 4. Alright? The top number tells me how many beats, not notes, but beats, are in each bar. In this case, there are 4 beats. So we're counting in 4s. Alright? Technically, that's what it is. We're counting in 4s. The bottom number now, which is the one that usually gives trouble, tells me the type of beat or the name of the beat. In this case, this 4 here represents quarter note. 4 for quarter. Alright, if it was a 2 here, it would be 2 for half note, or 8 for eighth note, or 16 for 16th note. So this, in this case, this is 4 quarter notes or 4 quartet beats in a bar. But that's what each of these bars, every bar must have 4, must add up to 4 quartets. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2 beats. This is 1 beat each, so that adds to 4. And then you have 1, half, and a half. Make 1, 1, and 1. Okay? And all of these, you add them together, you get 4 beats. Alright, so that is what 4/4 represents. So the other two time signatures that we focus on in grade 1 would be 3/4, which is 3 quartets each in a bar, and 2/4, which is 2 quartets each in a bar. Alright? And the other symbol that you will see for 4/4 is the letter C, which means common time. Okay? Common time. Because 4/4 is a common time signature that you hear in most pieces of music. Most pieces of music are counted in fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3/4 is your counting threes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2/4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? So that is the essence of the time signature. Alright? Now I'm going to give you another time signature. Alright? And I'm going to put a time frame in it. With a pattern that's in 3/4 and with a pattern that's in 2/4. So here I have two weather patterns. The first one is in 2/4, which represents 2 quartet beats in a bar. You can see, if you want to find out what the time signature of a piece is, you just look at one bar. The easiest looking bar, and you can see 2 quartets in that bar, and so all of the beats in each bar should add up to 2 quartet beats. 1, 2, 1L, 2L, 1, 2. Okay? 3/4, similar thing. 3 quartet beats in a bar. Okay, and there are many time signatures, but we only focus on 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. Alright? So 3/4, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright? So those are the beats in the bar and the time signatures. Okay, and remember that each section is called a bar. This is separated by bar length. And we end off the piece of music of another pattern with a double bar line. Okay, so that is bar lines and that is time signatures. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.